Hi, Paul. Good morning.
Good morning, Emily.
How are you today?
I am good. The weather feels nice. And you?
I am good too. Yes, the weather feels very good today.
It is warm, but not hot.
Yes, I like warm weather. Warm weather makes me feel happy.
Me too. Warm weather is easy for me. I can walk, I can sit outside, I can relax.
Right. When the weather is warm, people smile more.
The sky looks clear today.
Yes, the sky is blue. I do not see clouds.
I like days with a clear sky.
I like it too. A clear sky makes the day look fresh.
Do you think it will stay sunny all day?
Maybe yes. The sun is bright, but it is not too strong now.
True. Morning sun feels soft.
Yes, soft sun in the morning is perfect for a walk.
Does weather change your mood?
Yes, it does. When it is sunny, I feel happy and light.
Same for me. Sunny days give me more energy.
What about rainy days?
Rainy days make me feel sleepy.
Me too. I like rain, but only when I am at home.
Yes, staying at home with rain outside feels nice.
Exactly. But rain when I need to go out? Not so good.
Right. It is hard to walk and everything becomes wet.
Do you like hot weather?
Not really. Hot weather makes me tired.
Same. I cannot move much when it is too hot.
What about cold weather?
I like cold weather more than hot weather
Why?
because I can wear warm clothes and cold air feels clean.
Yes. Cold air feels fresh, but too cold is not good.
Right. Too cold makes my hands hurt.
And my nose becomes red.
How is the weather in your city usually?
My city is warm most of the year. We have many sunny days.
That sounds nice.
Yes, but sometimes it gets very hot in the summer.
Oh, I see. My city is different.
How is it?
My city has many rainy days.
Many rainy days?
Yes, many. Some weeks it rains every day.
Wow, that is a lot of rain.
Yes, I always carry an umbrella.
Smart. I forget my umbrella many times.
Then you get wet?
Yes, many times.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, I check it every morning.
I check it too. It helps me plan my day.
Same. If it will rain, I bring my umbrella.
If it will be hot, I bring my water bottle.
Do you think the weather forecast is always correct?
Not always. Sometimes it says sunny, but then it rains.
Yes, that happens in my city too.
But it is helpful most of the time.
Yes, it helps me prepare. What do you like to do on sunny days?
I like to walk in the park. I like to sit under trees.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes. What about you?
I like to ride my bike on sunny days.
Nice. How long do you ride?
Maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour?
That is good exercise.
Yes, sunny days give me energy for biking.
The sun is higher now.
Yes, it is getting a little warm.
I think today will be a hot day.
Maybe, but the morning was perfect.
Yes, it was a nice morning.
Do you want to meet again in the afternoon?
Sure, we can talk more about the weather.
Great. See you later.
See you later, Paul.
Hi, Emily. Welcome back.
Hi, Paul. The weather feels different now.
Yes, it is hotter than this morning.
Much hotter. I feel the sun on my face.
The sun is strong now.
I think the temperature is very high.
The sky is still clear.
Yes, no clouds, but the air feels heavy.
Yes, hot air feels heavy and slow.
My arms feel warm.
My neck feels hot, too.
Are you okay with this heat?
I am okay, but I prefer the morning weather.
Me too. Morning weather is soft.
Afternoon weather is strong.
Do you use sunscreen?
Yes, I use sunscreen in summer.
I use sunscreen too. It helps protect my skin.
Do you wear a hat?
Sometimes. On sunny days, a hat helps a lot.
Yes, hats protect the eyes and face.
Sunglasses too.
Right. But I forgot my sunglasses today.
Oh no, your eyes must feel tired.
Yes, a little.
What season do you like most?
I like spring. Weather is warm, but not hot.
Spring is nice. Flowers grow, trees are green.
Yes, everything looks fresh.
I like autumn more
Why autumn?
because the air is cool and the colors are warm.
Yes, autumn colors are beautiful.
And the wind feels soft in autumn.
Do you think it will rain later?
Maybe in the evening, the air feels heavy.
Yes, sometimes heavy air means rain.
Do you like evening rain?
Yes, I like evening rain. It sounds peaceful.
I like the sound of rain on windows.
Me too. It helps me relax.
Look, I see small clouds now.
Yes, I see them too.
Maybe the weather will change soon.
Maybe the wind will come.
I like wind.
Me too. Wind makes hot weather feel better.
Yes, wind brings cool air.
Do you like strong wind?
No, strong wind scares me.
Same. Soft wind is enough.
Have you traveled to a country with different weather?
Yes, I visited a cold country once.
How cold?
Very cold. Snow everywhere.
Wow, snow.
Yes, snow is beautiful, but walking on snow is hard.
I want to see snow one day.
You will like it. It feels soft, like cotton.
What about the temperature?
It was -5 degrees Celsius.
That is very cold for me.
Yes, I needed warm clothes all day.
Weather really changes how I feel.
Same for me.
Sunny weather gives me energy.
Rainy weather makes me calm.
Cloudy weather makes me quiet.
Cold weather makes me think.
Hot weather makes me slow.
Yes, hot weather makes everything slow. If it rains tonight, What will you do?
I will stay home. I will drink tea and listen to music.
That sounds nice.
And you?
I will read a book. Rain helps me read better.
Yes, rain makes the room feel cozy.
True.
The sun is going down now.
Yes, the sky looks orange.
Evening weather feels better than afternoon.
Yes, cooler and softer.
Today was a good weather day.
Yes, we saw warm morning, hot afternoon, and cool evening.
Weather changes fast.
Yes, but it makes the day interesting.
I agree.
Thanks for talking with me today.
Thank you too, Paul.
See you next time.
See you next time.